Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create account on Dropbox and upload your file and share it with your friends or anyone. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the Dropbox, and after writing the Dropbox, you have to press the enter. So as you can see, the Dropbox is here. Now we have to click on this. So finally, as you can see, the Dropbox is open. Now what we have to do, we have to click on the sign up. After clicking on the sign up, we have to sign up. We have to create account in the Dropbox using any kind of email. I'm going to continue with this one. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we have to select our Gmail account. So as you can see, now we have to select our email account. So I'm going to continue with this one, and we have to wait for a few seconds until it loads. So login is successful. I have already created an account. You just have to sign up with the email and you will be able to use that. So as you can see, the Dropbox is open. So as you can see, the account is created. Now you have a lot of options. If you want to upload, or if you want to create a file, or if you want to record it, you can also do that. You just have to upload any kind of file and you can share with you, and you can share that with anyone. For example, I'm going to click on the share. Now you have to click on the share, and you will see that you uploaded files here. You have to right click on them and you will get a link, and you have to share that link if you want to share any kind of access with anyone. So you have to provide that link to him and he will be able to edit that or use that. So in this way you can use the Dropbox. Basically Dropbox is used for sharing your file, and you will get 2 GB free storage. If you want to get more, you have to buy that. So in this way you can use the Dropbox. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download and install Dropbox on your PC and how you can use that. So see you guys in the next video.